Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Great Transport Parade. Are you ready to see some amazing machines? Let's count them together. Let's go. Look, here come the ambulances. They are so fast because they help people. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ambulances. Whoa! Big red fire trucks are next. Look at those long ladders. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 brave fire trucks. Great job! Freeze! It's the police! They keep our city safe. Look at their blue lights flashing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 police cars on patrol. Look over there at the water. We have small boats and a big ship. 1, 2, 3 boats splashing around and 1 giant ship. Wow! Here comes the heavy equipment. Look at those big cranes. They can touch the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 powerful cranes. And here are the road rollers. They are so heavy. And my favorite excavators. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 powerful diggers. Straight from the farm, here are the tractors. They are the kings of the farm. Listen to the engine. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 tractors ready for work. And here come the giants, the harvesters. They are much bigger than tractors, right? They help gather the grain. Let's count these big machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 mighty harvesters. Boom! Here come the mighty tanks. Look at those heavy tracks and long cannons. They are so strong. Let's count these metal giants together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 powerful tanks rumbling down the street. Next up, we have the armored personnel carriers. These are like super strong buses for soldiers. They move very fast on their big wheels. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 APCs on guard. What an amazing day at the parade. Which machine was your favorite? See you next time. Bye-bye.